I'm Justin, and in this episode, we're going to be talking about species interaction. Species interactions are everywhere. You just got to take a look around. Competition is where both organisms are harmed as they compete for the same resources. These different species of ducks and the geese here have very similar niches, and so they have to compete for the same resources. Now, exploitation, that's where one organism benefits while harming the other. There's three main types: predation, herbivory, and parasitism. Predation is where one animal eats another. But here this rabbit has become the prey of some unknown predator. Herbivory is where one organism eats other plant material. Parasitism is where one species, the parasite, benefits at the expense of the other, the host. Mutualism is where both organisms benefit. So bees grab the pollen from these plants, and they in turn go and pollinate the rest of the flowers. So both organisms are benefiting. Commensalism is where one organism benefits while the other is unaffected. While the geese and the ducks are using the trees to protect them from the heat of the hot sun, it's the geese that are benefiting from the shade of the trees, while the trees aren't really being affected. Lastly, amensalism. That's where one organism is harmed and the other is unaffected. Good example of that, where we've been walking in the brush, I've been crushing the grass and whatever little insects might be living in this, but not really harming me.
This is to end in fire, and we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the